Oh, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Right, if you've ever tried these meet-up bars, you know what a pain in the arse they are. This is the way to do it. Make sure we'll demonstrate with our punk rock bob chain, which obviously will follow at the lowest point. As you can see here, he's just wiggling it, and there we go. So then I'm going to pull this through. We're taking the plug off. And basically join the wires together, twisting them together, and put this tape on a bit of a bend, because it's got to go round this horrendous shape. And hope it worked earlier, now it's on video, it most likely won't. Guaranteed, didn't it? Fucking hell. Bastard. There. Just got to go around the fucking corner, isn't it? Yeah. Excellent. That's right. It don't look right, but it is. Yeah, do you remember last time? That is the back of the bar. So that is absolutely perfect.
Look at it around there, that's
Yeah,
off.
it is. So basically we've got that there, and that. Yeah, that's got to be, basically them wires would go like that into the dimple. Okay, so that's basically how it's done. You can obviously feed it out here as well, but we're going to do that way. We're going to have a lot more clearance, you know, give us a lot more angle. So that basically is how you do it with a bog chain, a lot of luck, and a good bloke Sean helping. Okay.